Let's divide 148 by 2. Hey super math stars, don't forget to like and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. Alright, let's start our division adventure. We look at the first digit of 148, which is 1. We'll use this for now. How many times does 2 fit into 1? It doesn't fit, so we write 0. 0 times 2 is 0. We write that down. 1 minus 0 is 1. We have a remainder of 1. You're doing great, almost there. Now let's bring down the next digit 4 to join our remainder. Next up, we have 14 to work with. We bring down the 4 from 148, making our number 14. How many times does 2 go into 14? It's 7. Let's check. 7 times 2 is 14. Perfect. 14 minus 14 is 0. No remainder this time. Woohoo, you're a math whiz. Time to bring down the last digit 8. Last step, we're looking at 8. We bring down the 8, and now we have 8 to divide. How many times does 2 fit into 8? It's 4. Let's check. 4 times 2 equals 8. Exactly. 8 minus 8 is 0. We've reached the end. You did it. Fantastic work. We've divided 148 by 2. Our answer is 74. So 148 divided by 2 is 74. Great job, everyone. We solved 148 divided by 2 using long division. Remember, every step gets us closer to the answer. That's all for today. Keep practicing and check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud.